Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oil vinegar dressing. Whisk together 3 parts oil and 1 part vinegar in a bowl, add salt and pepper, then emulsify by whisking vigorously or shaking in a jar. Add mustard or honey to stabilize the emulsion and adjust sweetness or acidity to taste. Finish with chopped herbs and a drizzle over greens, then taste and tweak until balanced and bright. Start by measuring your oil and vinegar on a 3:1 ratio for a classic balance using a liquid measuring cup. Combine oil, vinegar, a pinch of salt, freshly ground pepper, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard in a mixing bowl or jar. Whisk or shake until creamy and slightly thickened, then taste and adjust with more vinegar or a little honey to reach the flavor you prefer. Serve within hours or store refrigerated for up to a week. Try variations like lemon juice instead of vinegar for brighter acidity, or use champagne vinegar for delicate flavor. Add minced garlic and chopped parsley for a garlicky herb dressing, or stir in roasted red pepper puree for a smoky sweet twist. For creamier texture, blend in Greek yogurt or a tablespoon of mayonnaise, then always taste and balance with salt, acid, or a pinch of sugar until it sings. Enjoy on salads or grilled veggies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.